the 11th, and it is currently 4:08 a.m. on Sunday. And this is our day 1 travel vlog to Accra, Ghana. But yeah, so everybody's basically getting ready right now. We're supposed to be heading out to the airport around 4:15, 4:30. Our flight takes off at 7:01. So that's where we are right now. We'll definitely keep y'all updated as we go into the airport and as we go to Ghana. And our first flight is from here and to Houston. Yeah. So first we're going to Houston, and then our second flight is to Washington, and then our third flight is to Ghana. So we're so excited to take y'all on our first trip. Well, this is not our first trip. Our first trip we're filming. Our first trip we're vlogging. This will be our second trip to Ghana. But yeah, we're so excited to take y'all along with us, and we hope y'all have as much fun as we do. Okay. Hey guys, we're at the airport. We're waiting on people to check us in. So we just got here. What time is it? 5:16. It's 5:16. Same day. Alright, so we will update y'all what's happening next after we go through TSA and all that. After we check in and go to TSA and all that. So yeah. See y'all later. Hello. So we just checked in. We got through TSA. So yeah, now we're just sitting waiting on the flight, you know. So yeah, you know, we got Jasmine, mom and dad. It's really early. It's only 6:01. So yeah, and I'm hungry. But we will eat in Houston. That's the plan. Okay. But yeah, the flight takes off at 7:01. We'll be in Houston around 8:44. So I think that's like 2 hours, 3 hour flight, I guess. 2 hours? I think it's 2 hours. But yeah, so we're just waiting. We have about an hour wait for the flight. So we'll update y'all. Hopefully we're on the plane. If not the plane, when we land. We just got off our first flight from Alabama to Houston. So now our second flight was 11:26, something like that. We got a couple hours to know that. So we're gonna eat. I don't know what we're gonna eat, but we're gonna eat.
The train is arriving. Please keep clear for passengers exiting the train.
Hey y'all, so we just got Hey, hey y'all, so we just got done eating, chilling. The food was alright. It wasn't all bad, but it was food. So now we're just going to go to our gate and wait for our flight, and we'll see y'all in Washington.
Alright guys, we just landed from, where did we come from? Houston, that's where we came from, Houston. And now we're in Washington. The flight was about like, I think like 3-4 hours, I think. Yeah, so now we're just chilling. We have like a two hour layover. So yeah, right now it's 4:51, still September 11th, Sunday. But yeah, our next flight is just to Ghana, Accra. So yeah, this is our last flight. I'm really excited because I'm so tired. I'm extremely tired. I'm tired. But yeah, so we're just eating. We all had Subway, but Jasmine had to be different. And then what the world? I don't know what the world she got. Let me see. Jazz, do you want to tell the people what you got since you want us to be different and better than us?
She got pizza.
She's not better. She's not better. We just had pizza last night, so I don't understand why she wants it again. But it's okay. We'll let her do her thing or whatever. But yeah, so we're waiting for our flight to Accra. I think that we board 6:01, and I think it was at 6:30. So yeah, we should get there around. Let me see. What time should we get there around? Yeah, so we should get there around 9:05 a.m. tomorrow. So yeah. And then from there, we will let y'all know what's up. Alright, see y'all next time. Peace out.
Hello guys, so right here we just left the airport and right now
We're trying to look for a grocery store so we can have some groceries for our stay in Cape Coast, Ghana for our 3-day trip there.
What's up, guys? So we just landed from the flight to Washington to Accra. So we are now in Ghana. We just went through the the immigration stuff and all that. Went smoothly. We're about to get food. I don't know where we're gonna eat, but y'all can see this Pizza Hut behind us. Mom said no, but y'all don't realize that I usually get what I want here. So.
She ain't getting no Pizza Hut today.
That's what they think, but we all know the truth.
Get out the.
Alrighty, see y'all on our next update. We do have a long drive. It's a 5-hour drive to our Airbnb, so we'll show y'all some footage on the way. All right, see y'all then. What's up, guys? Before, like I said, the last update was we were just leaving the airport. We are now at the grocery store. So yeah, we're finding a dish. Since you came in,
Hey y'all, so while we were in the grocery store, all the employees, they appeared to be African, while the management or the ownership were clearly of a different ethnicity, of a much lighter skin tone. And they were fussing and yelling at the employees the whole time we were waiting in line and checking out. And then someone saw the look of disgust in our faces, so they decided to come up to us, and they told us that he's literally always mean and yells at his employees all the time. Alright guys, so in this scene right here, we are headed to Cape Coast, Ghana. But this is also going to be the end of our day 1 and day 2 vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and stay tuned for the rest of our upcoming vlogs.